What? The F-14? That plane was based out here in Lemoore at one point.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Now they have an F-18 that's got that paint scheme. I won't do it. I'm not gonna bump it.
My light on. Yeah, initialize. Okay. Let's do it. Yeah. Thank you, sir. You're welcome.
Hold on. I keep forgetting. Getting old. I keep forgetting that I turned my camera on.
Hey, I see you got a tire clock there. I got one of them. A tire clock.
Oh, that's CF.
Yeah. Oh, Jonah's coming again? Shit. Wow, he's flying a lot.
All right.
Timer cleared.
Ready?
Ready.
We got a 6,000 in this too, so.
Gear up.
The heck? Ah! Yeah, it's up to you. Well, you got Jonah flying too, so I don't know if he'll be okay with it. What do you want, Pete? Pete Lane? Oh God, no. No butt geek. Look out. Booty judge.
Oh yeah, this is bothering me. I'm gonna stay close a little bit. And see if I can.
So addicted to the damn data.
Yeah.
Did it not plug in?
No, it doesn't need to be plugged in. This one.
Oh, you have it on the leads?
I just need to stay close.
Go for Jonah.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Just because of the way it initialized, or what?
No, I think some of these 12 channel receivers are not.
12 channel? With telemetry?
12 channeling, yeah.
Nice.
Because every surface gets its own so the
Oh.
channel can do some weird shit.
Okay.
And then there's afterburner.
30.
This is an orange?
Yeah.
12 channel?
12 channel.
Wow. Okay. That's something to think about. Seriously, because, well, you've got an 18.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna land it after this one.
I've barely been using any throttle, so I know I'm okay.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
That was crazy.
What?
In the sun, I almost lost it.
Uh-oh, don't do that. Yeah, I'll escort you down.
Landing.
I've got plenty of power. I didn't use hardly any throttle.
Man, yeah, that's
Landing flaps.
I made the mistake of opening my wing
Oh,
out over there, and I almost couldn't tell which way I was rolling.
Flaps up. 1 minute over.
Landing, final.
okay.
Alright, I'm clearing.
Dude, the stock motor's more than enough in this thing.
Yeah.
This thing's fast.
Rick is a star.
He put a 2100 in his.
Oh, okay. FMS?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Never gave you any data. What the hell?
Something wrong. I need to get, because this happened on two of my, on this receiver and on the Raphael. And I think it's just they're both 12 channels. The 9 channel ones, the 10 channel ones seem perfectly fine.
It's just this one.
It's just the 12. Something's up with the 12
Huh.
channels. I also
2
can't.
minutes
They're out of
over.
stock. And I don't know if they're ever bringing them back.
Uh-oh. Dude, this thing's a blast. I mean, it wasn't having a hard time keeping up with you either.
No.
This is gonna be close.
Bella's like, I can get away.
Woohoo! Freedom! Alright, time to land.
She's like, I can get away from
Gear
this man.
down. Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
Oh.
Flaps up.
This is a fun plane. I'm glad I got it. Go, Navy, go.
23.1. Oh.
Now it's reading.
Yeah, it's freaking weird.
The hell?